Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have the Maniology September Mani and Me subscription box review video for you. In the month of October, I am bringing you my Halloween party series and I do hope that you are enjoying them. And as part of this series, I decided to hold on to the September Mani and Me subscription box and I will be showing you today what I got in mind. My October box is already on its way, but as I mentioned in October, I'm only doing Halloween themed videos, so that box will be reviewed early November. And if you don't want to miss out on that box review, then make sure that you're subscribed to me. And of course, if you do like these review videos for the Maniology Mani and Me box, then also hit the like button. I'm not gonna talk too much. I will have all the details about the box itself and all my previous videos, so please feel free to check it out and see what we received in previous boxes. This box marks my 1-year anniversary with the subscription box, and for the most part I really did enjoy it. I am looking forward to this one because I love everything and anything Halloween related. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them for me in the comment section. And of course, if you would like to try this box for yourself, or if you just would like to save some money on Maniology's website, you can always use my ambassador code Judita10. That will give you either 10% off or a small amount off your subscription boxes. Okay, too much rambling, so now I will jump into showing you what's inside the box, and of course I will swatch the plate and the stamping polishes for you as well, so keep watching. Alright guys, I hope you were able to put your hands on the September Maniology Mani and Me box because I am in love with it again. Finally, after 2 dots that were not necessarily my favorites, they came out of course with a Halloween set and I am just loving it. I would like to have the pink polish a little bit more opaque, or at least be it a little bit more like brighter pink, but I think it will be a very nice color for like breast cancer awareness stamping manicures. I am not mad at the color, I just wish it would be a little bit more opaque or a little bit touch brighter just because it's a Halloween box. The holographic stamping polish is a die for. I can't stop staring at it, so I'm very happy about the Halloween kind of color, and of course the stamping plates and the designs on them are very cute. I'm getting kind of like a Charmed or Sabrina the Teenage Witch kind of feel when I'm looking at those designs, so if you're a fan of those shows, I think you will be enjoying these plates even more. All in all, I am very happy with the September box, and no surprise, I mean Halloween is one of my favorite seasons. The brush, I may use it, I may not, I will see. For right now, I'm gonna hold on to it and see if I will end up using it at all. Let me know what were your thoughts on this box, and if you were thinking about signing up for the box itself. And of course, you can use my ambassador code Judita10. This is an affiliated code, so I will get a small commission when you use it, but thanks to this commission, I can purchase more products for you to be reviewed on my channel. Also, Maniology decided to bankrupt me this year, so I do have 2 more Halloween sets coming up. So definitely make sure that you're subscribed, and that way you won't miss out on any of those. But I can highly recommend you so far everything that I tried from Maniology. Alright, that will be it from me for today. So thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned for more of my Halloween party series, and I will be back for you with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.